In this video, I will be showing you how to 3D print using the Prusa Mk3 Mini and Mini Plus. First, navigate to OnShape and open the document that you wish to print. It doesn't matter whether you wish to print a part studio or an assembly. Right-click on the part studio or assembly you wish to print and click Export. Choose your file name. However, the rest of your options should stay the same as mine. Now, click Export and it should download the STL file. Open Prusa Slicer and drag the STL file onto the bed. If your computer doesn't have Prusa, click the video on the screen to download it. That same video will teach you how to thoroughly use the basics of Prusa Slicer. For this model in particular, I am going to scale the model slightly upward. To do this, use the orange cubes positioned at each corner to evenly scale the model. I am now going to check my print settings. For my print settings, I prefer 0.20mm quality. Check that your filament is Prusa Mint PLA and your printer is original Prusa Mini and Mini Plus. I am going to add supports onto my model. Supports help with printing an overhang section. For my print, I am going to toggle this option to only print supports on the build plate only. Infill should range from 5 to 20%. However, for most projects, the 10 to 15% range will be just fine. Infill determines how much PLA will go on the inside of your print. Finally, toggle the brim on to prevent your print from sliding on the print bed. Now, click Slice Now. Now, you should be able to see what your model looks like when it is finished printing. The support PLA will be labeled in light green, and the rest of your model should be in an orange or dark orange color. Overhangs should be in dark blue. The bottom right-hand corner will show you the print time and cost of PLA used. When you are happy with your model, export the G-code to a flash drive. Turn on your 3D printer and plug in your USB flash drive. Remove the print bed, which is attached to the printer by magnets, and clean it off using rubbing alcohol. Cleaning the print bed accomplishes two things. One is that it keeps the bed clean, and two, it prevents your print from moving around in the middle of your print. Now, place the print bed back onto the printer. Make sure it lines up with the pins in the back, or else your print will be skewed. Using the knob, click the option Print and find the G-code file on your flash drive. It should show you a picture of your model along with the print time and filament type. Now, click Print. First, the printer will heat the print bed to 60 degrees Celsius. After this, the printer will scan 16 specific points on the print bed. Now, the printer will pause while it heats the nozzle up to 215 degrees Celsius. Once you are finished, remove the USB flash drive and turn the printer off. If you need to, lightly bend the print bed to remove your model. If your model has supports, carefully remove the supports. You may also use pliers for this situation. Remove all excess PLA and clean off the print bed with rubbing alcohol before returning it to the printer. Now, you should have a 3D printed model.